I'm here today on Ivy Street in Rainham to introduce you to these beautiful new builds. There are 5 in total. One of them is slightly different to the others, so I'm going to take you inside and show you 2 of them. Each property has its own driveway. They have charging pods for the electric cars, front and back taps, and composite front doors. So let's go inside and take a look around. Each of the properties offer a modern white decor and grey theme, with the kitchens offering integrated appliances such as fridge freezer, oven and hob and a washing machine. Now with this property in particular, I want to take you around here and show you the study. The location is beautifully tucked away from the hustle and bustle of Rainham shopping centre, yet offers such easy and quick access to all of the shops, including Tesco's, Wilkinson's, Boyce's Bakery, Boots, TikTok's Cafe and many other shops, cafes and charity shops. You can walk to the Rainham train station, offering fast links to the coast and London, and there are schools galore, including the new Lee Academy Secondary School. To the first floor, you have 2 double bedrooms and a gorgeous family bathroom. To the second floor, we have the master suite. Now I know what you're all thinking, what's the catch? Is the garden a postage stamp, as you get with traditional new builds? And the answer to that question is no. I present to you the garden. So to summarise, we have 5 beautiful new builds, all offering 3 double bedrooms, modern kitchens and open plan living. One of them offers the addition of a study and a downstairs shower room, and they all have off-street parking to the front. So if you want to arrange your tour, give me a call today, as it's appointment only.